Saturday, November 21st at Danse River Cafe. You told me to stop there. Oh, should I keep going? I'll be here from 8 to 10. I'll be counting. Saturday, November 21st at Danse River Cafe, Tampa, Florida, for the first time, where Konpa meets Kizomba fusion. I gotta go back. November 21st at Danse River Cafe in Tampa, Florida, for the first time. Sorry. I'm never gonna get this right. Oh, I'm saying the same thing? For the first time in Florida. Nope. Where am I going? Saturday, November 21st at Danse River Cafe in Tampa, Florida. Keep going. I'll be here, ladies, gentlemen. November 20th, Saturday. For the first time, where Konpa meets Kizomba workshop. I will be here from 8 to 10. Ladies, you know how we do it. Fellas, I need a work partner. I need a dance partner. I need a work partner. Okay. Ladies, you know how we do it. And fellas, I was going to say work again. Last time. Saturday, November 21st at Danse River Cafe for the first time, where Konpa meets Kizomba workshop. I will be here from 8 to 10. Ladies, you know how we do it. And gentlemen, I need a dance partner.